I'm an optometrist.
And about how much money do you make per year?
155.
And how many years experience do you have?
4 now.
And what type of education do you need to get that job?
Typically a bachelor's and then a doctorate's.
And do you love what you do?
Yeah, I really enjoy it.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Dr. Jarrett.
What do you do for a living, Dr. Jared?
I'm an anesthesiologist and an aesthetic medicine doctor.
And about how much money do you make per year?
Just doing anesthesia, I was doing over 300. Probably aesthetics now, maybe a little under 100. Takes a little time to grow, and the products are super expensive.
And how many years experience do you have, and how many years of college did you go to?
4 years of college, 4 years med school, 4 years anesthesia residency, master's in nutrition, and a couple years of aesthetic school. So probably around like 14 or 15 years.
Okay. And what is it exactly that you do? Can you go into more detail?
I make people look younger.
Okay.
So I'm actually 65 years old, but you wouldn't know just like looking at me because it's a combination of facial aesthetic procedures. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not 65. Basically, like different things to help people look and feel their best.
Okay.
So like cheek fillers, lip fillers, liquid rhinoplasty, jawline contouring, neck lift. I do IV hydration. You name it. The med spa industry is booming right now, and so that's what you're seeing. Tons of people in aesthetics want to look younger and feel better about themselves.
Okay. And then last question, any advice for someone that wants to get into aesthetics field?
I would say study hard and follow your heart and pivot, because if you're doing one thing, you spend a long time studying doing it and you don't like it, you can easily just transition into something else, but set yourself up so that you have the opportunity to educate yourself, learn from other people, and the sky's the limit.
Okay.
I'm a pharmacist,
And about how much do you make per year as a pharmacist?
maybe 125 to 130.
And how many years experience do you have?
11.
And what type of schooling did you have to go to become a pharmacist?
4 years undergrad, 4 years pharmacy school, grad school, and 8 years in total.
And do you love what you do?
I do now, yes.
And last question, what's your favorite part about being a pharmacist? Tell us.
Well, I work in specialty pharmacy, so just being able to interact with patients, being able to consult them on, anything they need, and it's just a really rewarding experience being able to work in specialty.
Haley.
I work in healthcare recruiting.
And about how much do you make per year in healthcare recruiting?
I make $300,000
And how many years experience do you have?
in healthcare recruiting. 3.
Okay. And how'd you get started in this position? Tell us.
It was by chance, networking. I had a friend, so I used to work in PR, public relations.
And then what type of college experience or education do you have?
My degree's in journalism, actually.
Okay.
I have not a master's. I have a bachelor's.
And where'd you go to college at?
I was all over the place, but University of Alabama, Roll Tide.
For a living.
I'm a dentist.
And about how much money do you make per year as a dentist?
Maybe $500,000.
And how many years experience do you have?
21 years.
And do you own your own practice? What type of dental field are you in? Can you go into more detail?
I do. I have multiple practices and I do general dentistry.
And what's one piece of advice you want to give to someone that's in dental school or that wants to become a dentist?
Well, you got to love what you're doing and just keep working at it and, just work hard and you'll be successful.
All right, thank you.